There are 21,600 homes for sale in the Greater Toronto area right now. And here's what most people are missing. Sales have surged 28% since the beginning of March. So what actually slowed the market this year? Not tariffs, not global conflicts. It was winter. The brutal cold, the snowstorms, the freezing rain. Mother Nature hit pause on January and February. But now, spring has flipped the switch. Buyers are back out. Rates are easing. Deals are happening. If you think market is bad, think again. The numbers don't lie. Homes are selling. Opportunities are everywhere. Still renting? Stop paying your landlord's mortgage. Start building your own wealth. Thinking of upgrading? Larger homes are sitting longer, more negotiating power for you, and your current home still in demand. Considering downsizing? There are deals on condos right now. Unlock your equity for retirement, travel, or whatever life you want next. This isn't a bad market, it's a strategic market. DM me, let's make your next move the right one.